Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something pretty cool. I've got right over here the Lautie Bit02 right over here with me for a quick review. This is the Zirc version and brass, of course, of the Bit02. Very cool one indeed. Super simple construction. You can just unscrew the button like so. You have a retainer for the ring, and you can check the genuinity of a Lautie product because they always engrave the serial number on the inside. So as you can see, there's a 277 made of this one, so it's a limited edition, which means that once this guy is sold out, it's gone. So it's not going to be available because it's a limited edition and you can only acquire this one on the secondary market. So pretty cool spinner. It has a rectangular shape, which is unusual. Usually the spinners, they tend to be round, but this case not. And that's the effect it's gonna create if you shoot, I believe, at what, 25-30 frames per second, like that, based on the frequency. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So zirconium brass construction, very neat spinner indeed. Let's check the weight for this guy, because it's not like super heavy. 56.4 grams. You're not gonna be even feeling this thing in your pocket. You have 37 millimeters on the long edge and 12, let's say 13 for the height. You can disassemble this fella, you can clean it up, you can remove these parts right over here. It's pretty simple Zirc blasted toy. It's a limited edition, very nicely designed. There is a whole series of bit spinners from cheap one to very expensive. Of course, the zirconium is gonna be my preferred material, and it's gonna be more expensive, for example, than stainless steel or copper or brass. So if you wonder why this thing can be like, I don't know, 150 bucks compared to the 70 bucks of the stainless steel, because the material is zirconium. And as you might know or might not know, zirconium is very dangerous to machine. Like, the shavings are self-combusting. So can you imagine to have a little bit of dust that can explode and catch fire by itself hanging out around in your shop? Yeah, I wouldn't want that. So you need to be careful, and that's why it's dangerous material to work with, and that's why these guys are gonna be expensive if you buy them. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.